Hello, how are you? I hope you're well. I hope the weekend was a good one for you. It is Monday as I am recording this, and that's always tough, right? It's sometimes it's tough to get reinserted into the work week. So I was absolutely delighted when this arrived because it meant I got to do another unboxing. And what we have tonight is actually a haptic coin. I don't know how everybody feels about haptic coins, but this one I am really excited about. This is from and I don't know how to pronounce the proper pronunciation of this, but Meton MetonBoss, and they're based out of, as you can see, Anaheim, California. And I saw this haptic coin on Etsy, and you can find their shop at apps by googling just Meton or Meton or Boss, all one word, and Etsy, and it'll take you right to their shop. And they have some really cool stuff there. This caught my eye primarily because I'm a bit of a history dork, and this haptic coin, it was just like, wow, this is totally a recreation of a Greek owl, which, you know, being a history dork, even not an ancient history dork, I was still excited to see this. So, again, not a knife guy, but apparently I buy scissors or shears that you can actually cut a hole in the fabric of time. So I'm going to put those away before I hurt myself. All right, so let's see what we got here. Oh wow, so do they package this in halves? That is such a cool presentation, and in fact they do. Oh, that's so cool. All right, so what do we get? Get a cool little pouch. Very good, very good. And we get our halves of our haptic coins. Oh, I'm sorry, jumped the gun there. So definitely do the plug. Made in USA, new designs, MetonBoss. I apologize if you watch this and I'm butchering the name. Please forgive me. Yes, so very cool. And as you can see, they do knives. I wonder if they do obnoxiously large scissors or shears that I just had. But to the main event, we have our haptic coin. And again, this is a design that is very reminiscent of ancient Greek coins as well, but also just ancient Greek art. If you are familiar with Athens, the owl was very celebrated in Athens, I believe. No, and I didn't actually study ancient history, so but I do recall that the owl was synonymous, kind of the same thing as today, it was with wisdom, and it was also attached to Athena or Minerva in Greek mythology. So this is a really great recreation, and I believe I don't remember exactly what denomination the coin was, but it was definitely, I think it was a drachma that this design was in. At least the owl part and the AOE, which I'm not, if I'm not mistaken, is an acronym or an abbreviation for something. So this is really cool. And let me get the other half. Come on. Okay, cool. Wow. I mean, just really stunning. This is a beautiful coin. Wow. So we've got our two halves, and whew, I mean, the detail levels here are cool, and even on the outer rims of this, like, it's just really beautiful. I'm insanely impressed with this. All right, so let's join them together. I'm assuming this is the right way. All right. Oh, very nice. Okay, so yeah. Oh, okay, so you get some clicking. Oh, nice. Okay, cool. Very clicky, in fact. and you can, you know, push it around. So, wow. Huh. I like this. Yeah, definitely reverse polarity. So they are stuck together here. Wow. So, yeah, I like this a lot. The clicking is cool. I like how this is free. So, like, there's a lot of haptic coins that, of course, when you bring them together, like, they are not coming apart. But this, I like that you can actually kind of push it around, because this is kind of how I like to hold them. And wow. But if you wanted to as well, sweet. So yes, big fan of this already. Let me get some dimensions for you guys. Sorry, as I'm kind of geeking out here. Let me put this down for a second. Let's bust out the calipers. Okay, and let's see. Man, the finish on this thing is amazing. They did a really great job. So we've got, for the top coin here, 37.4 millimeters. And when they're both sort of, joined together, we've got a thickness of, oops, I don't want to close it too much, right? About 10 millimeters. And this has some heft to it too, which of course I am always a big fan of and very appreciative of. I like being able to like feel that I've got something in my hand. All right, so let's get the weight. Yes, 3, 2, 1. All right. Okay, oops. Oh, oops. All right. So weighing in at a hefty 75 grams, the MetonBoss Owl coin. Already a fan. Already looking forward to seeing if this does get a little patina on it or not. And this actually feels really nice as well. The other side of this, I mean, yes, there's some texture here. This has almost like, I wouldn't call it a zirconium texture, but it's not far off. It's not as slick as zirconium, but it's very smooth. So yeah, super into this already. Big fan, really happy to have it. I strongly suggest if you guys are into haptic coins, give MetonBoss a look. And again, they're on Etsy. So I'll try to include the link to their shop. And they have a number of different variations in this. So if you are into the design, but maybe not the finish, they probably have something that you would be into. So gang, thank you so much for spending some time with me, checking out the haptic coin. And I hope the rest of the week is kind. Thanks again, and I will see you guys on the next one.